In this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to get started detailing for less than $500. Let's get into it. I'll show you right over here. Hey, sorry for interrupting the video. Just want to take a quick second to tell you all about this free 90-minute masterclass we have for beginner detailers making under $10,000 per month in their business. In it, I give you 5 free marketing tactics, free social media posts, 30% off an online booking software, and a lot of other free giveaways. If you're interested and you want to grow your business, start taking it seriously, you can use these marketing tactics to make thousands of dollars per month for free. You can check it out. The link to it's in our bio, in the description of this video. You can find it pretty much on all our social medias. But yeah, go check it out now, and now we'll get back to the video. All right, to get started, this is pretty much all you need. We have a pressure washer, vacuum, hose, 2 buckets, brushes for the tires, some rags, and an extension cord. For the pressure washer, this is a Ryobi 2000 PSI. Anything under 2000 is safe. I think 1700 PSI is what's really safe for vehicles paint. You can go to Home Depot, Lowe's. I know the Greenworks brand is pretty solid. A lot of them have 2-3 year warranties in case anything breaks. They tend to last longer than you'd expect, which is why we always go for these rather than the super expensive pressure washers or gasoline powered. These just hook up to regular outlet. A hose, this one is from Walmart, I believe, but we've also used the retractable ones as well, like 20 or 30 bucks. Pressure washer at Home Depot or Lowe's, Ryobi or Greenworks is gonna be around $100. Vacuum, this is a 5-gallon Craftsman. We've used a bunch of different kinds. The Craftsmans are fine, Ryobi is fine. But if you go to Home Depot, Lowe's, even Walmart, they have good deals on ShopVacs. Under $100 for a vacuum. The 2 buckets, if you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, $5 each. And this is for the 2-bucket method. One is gonna be water, one's gonna be soap. The brushes, got a tire brush, wheelbarrow, for the barrel of the wheels, and then for the bolts and nuts in the wheels, $5 each. These brushes are gonna be, under 20 bucks. Rags, as far as rags goes, you're gonna wanna buy, a pack of microfiber towels. You can go to Costco, they have really good deals. Amazon is normally where we get ours. You're also gonna wanna get some drying towels, and ours looks like this. We use a bunch of different brands of these. Also Amazon, probably about 15 bucks for those. And all the links for the equipment will be in the description. Extension cord, normally we get 50 feet. We carry 2 of these 50-foot extension cords. Probably gonna be around 20-30 bucks for a quality extension cord. This is really all you need to get started for equipment. I'll go into the chemicals here now. All right, for chemicals, I'll just bring y'all in here to our storage shed where we keep things. We always buy things in the 5 gallons if we can, but I'll take you through kind of what we use. Wheel cleaner, we use the Stinger Magnum. Everything we use is dilutable if we can get it dilutable. This is our carpet cleaner. We use Carpet Bomber. Oh, focus up. There we go. We use Carpet Bomber, carpet upholstery cleaner. This is just more wheel cleaner. This is our car soap, just regular, ACP Easy Suds car soap. It foams up really good. This is also car soap down here. Down here is our bug remover. It's called Splat. I can pull it out here. Splat, Bug Off, also by Stinger. So anything I normally just go to our detail supply shop, and anything we can buy in bulk, we buy in bulk. Tar and sap remover. We use the Stoner Car Care tar and sap remover. Spray away glass cleaner. This is ammonia free, so it's tint safe to use with window tinting. This is our bug remover as well. Car soap. This is where all our jugs of chemicals go, so our detailers can come in here. They need car soap, grab car soap, and they're on their way. I have a bunch to refill here, so that's why this shelf is empty. For wax, we use Polyglide. It's actually an airplane wax, so it's a little bit more durable than a normal wax. We've always used that. It's just regular, wax on, wax off. All-purpose cleaner, we don't get too fancy. We just dilute Fabuloso down really a lot. It's really dilutable. These jugs will last us forever. For, what is this? Enzyme cleaner, we use that, for really bad stains and seeps and carpets. For tire dressing, really we switch this up, so we don't really go with the same kind of chemicals every time, because I just go to the ACP detail supply shop, and whatever they have in bulk, or if they have a new thing that they recommend, we always try it out. We try to go water soluble though, so we can dilute this down. Normally about, 50-50 water and dressing. This is also tire dressing. This is an acid wheel cleaner that we use when the tires are really bad. We really don't use this very much. I don't really give this out to the guys. I'll use it sometimes, but really not that frequently. Here's our ozone machine, spare bottles. But really all you need to get started is all-purpose, some kind of wax, tire dressing, car soap, glass cleaner, and that's really all you need to get started. You can work without tar and sap. You might find it useful if the paint is really, really bad. Bug remover is also just, you know, a time saver if there's tons of bugs on it. We always bring this and just spray it on the bugs and it melts the bugs away. That's pretty much all you need to get started. You're gonna wanna get, and then some other stuff we carry on us all the time, some trash bags, just some small trash bags, some extra spray bottles just in case one breaks. The nozzles are right here. Some of these finer detailing brushes, we use these on the interior and the exterior for the emblems and the air vents and stuff. Tire applicator for applying tire shine. Some of these plastic razor blades in case we need to get any stickers off of the vehicles. Some extra nozzles for the pressure washer. We always carry some of these on us, all our guys do. That's pretty much everything here in the shed I wanted to show y'all, but there's a couple other things in the van that are optional that I think really, really speed up the process, and I'll show y'all that here. For steam cleaners, for people just getting started, this Bissell Steam Shot is what we use now. We've used McCulloch's in the past, even more expensive steam cleaners than that. But this thing really, you know, it does the job. There's nothing that we're really steaming that's that bad. It comes with a bunch of different attachments with brush attachments and stuff you can put on the front. But this thing works wonders. You have to refill it more often than a McCulloch would, but for the types of steam cleaning we're doing, this works perfectly, and it's super, super cheap, so I highly recommend that. A couple other things you're probably gonna want: a pump sprayer. We use this for, you know, carpet shampoo, anything you spray a lot of. This really just saves time, and you don't have to, you know, just keep squeezing the trigger all the time. This puts out a lot of liquid. A drill for drill brushing, you know, rubber mats, carpet mats, even just carpets to get, you know, dog hair and sand and stuff loose. That's a time saver as well. And then a carpet extractor. Don't really need this to start, but we recommend it. I mean, if you're gonna do shampooing, you have to have a carpet extractor. The Bissell Little Green is, you know, what we recommend. It's kind of the cheap version of any kind of extractor, but it does the job, and it'll get you started for sure. And yeah, to get started, that's pretty much all you need. Everything should be about $500 or less. Once you get, you know, more customers, more money, you can reinvest your profits into better equipment. If you want to, you know, splurge on a really good extractor, steamer, whatever. We found that all this kind of beginner level stuff is the cheapest option. It also gets the job done. If anything breaks, it's not expensive to replace. But yeah, that's really all you need to get started detailing today. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.